You know, the ones, bubbly characters, upbeat music, all guaranteeing a stress-free escape from financial woes. They make it sound so easy, right? But have you ever stopped to wonder who's behind the curtain at these companies? Today, we're diving deep into one such name, TurboDebt. Now, TurboDebt doesn't actually settle debt themselves. They act as a middleman, connecting you with their partner company, National Debt Relief. But that's a story for another day. What we're here for is transparency. Because when it comes to your hard-earned money and your financial future, a little transparency goes a long way. So, who is the mastermind behind TurboDebt? The CEO? The one calling the shots? Believe it or not, there's a surprising lack of information readily available about TurboDebt's leadership. Their website is tight-lipped on the topic, and internet searches come up with very little. Now, this lack of transparency can be a red flag. In the world of finance, especially debt relief, trust is paramount. Would you hand over your financial information to a complete stranger? Probably not. So why is TurboDebt keeping their CEO under wraps? There are a couple of possibilities. Maybe they're a new company, still finding their footing, and haven't gotten around to establishing a strong online presence for their leadership team. Perhaps the CEO prefers to stay out of the limelight and focus on behind-the-scenes operations. But there's also a chance that there's something they'd rather you not know. Maybe the CEO has a history in the debt settlement industry, and it's not exactly squeaky clean. Debt settlement can be a complex and sometimes risky business, and a checkered past could be a turn-off for potential clients. Of course, this is all speculation. Without knowing who the CEO is, it's impossible to say for sure. But it does raise some questions, doesn't it? Here's the thing, you deserve to know who you're doing business with, especially when it comes to your finances. So, if TurboDebt isn't forthcoming about their leadership, it might be a good idea to look elsewhere. There are plenty of reputable debt relief companies out there with transparent leadership teams. Companies that are proud to put a face to the name. Do your research, compare options, and choose a company you feel comfortable trusting with your financial future. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about the company you're considering, the better equipped you'll be to make an informed decision. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy researching.